Welcome to Clear Talk Studio. Today, we will practice English speaking in a real-life situation. You are at a coffee shop. You will learn how to order coffee, how to talk with the barista, and how to make small talk with friends. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let us begin. Scene 1. You walk into a coffee shop. You see a friendly barista behind the counter. You smile and say hello. You. Hello. Good morning. Barista. Good morning. How are you today? You. I am fine, thank you. How are you? Barista. I am great, thank you. What can I get for you today? You. Let me see. What do you recommend? Barista. Our caramel latte is very popular. Would you like to try it? You. That sounds nice. Is it sweet? Barista. A little sweet, but not too much. You. Okay, I will have a caramel latte, please. Barista. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large? You. Medium, please. Barista. Sure. Would you like it hot or iced? You. Hot, please. It is a little cold today. Barista. Got it. Anything else for you? You. Yes. I would like a chocolate muffin, please. Barista. Great choice. That will be $5.50. You. Here you go. Barista. Thank you. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. You. Thank you very much. Now you wait for your coffee. You look around the coffee shop. It smells good. People are talking softly. Some are working on laptops. Some are reading books. You find a seat near the window. You take out your phone. You relapse. After a minute, the barista calls your name. Barista. Caramel latte for Alex. You stand up and take your cup. You. Thank you. Barista. You are welcome. Enjoy your coffee. You. Thanks, you too. Now you sit down again. You take a sip. You smile. The coffee is warm and smooth. Next to you, someone says hello. It is a friendly stranger. Stranger. Hi, is this seat taken? You. No, please, sit down. Stranger. Thank you. This place is always busy. You. Yes, it is. I come here often. Stranger. Oh, really? What do you usually order? You. I usually get a latte or cappuccino. What about you? Stranger. I like iced coffee, even in winter. You. That is brave. Stranger. Maybe I just like cold drinks. You. That is cool. So, do you live nearby? Stranger. Yes, just 2 blocks away. And you? You. I live about 10 minutes from here. I come here to relax or work sometimes. Stranger. Same here. I like the atmosphere. You. Yes, it is calm and cozy. Stranger. Do you work or study? You. I work in an office. What about you? Stranger. I am a student. I study English. You. Oh, really? That is nice. I am also practicing English. Stranger. Great. Maybe we can practice together sometimes. You. Sure, that sounds fun. Now, repeat after me. Hi, is this seat taken? No, please, sit down. This place is always busy. Yes, I come here often. I usually get a latte or cappuccino. I like iced coffee. Do you live nearby? I live 10 minutes away. I come here to relax. Do you work or study? I work in an office. I am a student. Let us practice English together. Very good. Now let us continue the conversation. Stranger. So what kind of work do you do? You. I work in marketing. I help companies advertise their products. Stranger. That sounds interesting. You. Yes, it is creative, but sometimes stressful. Stranger. I can imagine. Do you work from home or in an office? You. Mostly in an office, but sometimes from home. Stranger. Nice. I think working in a coffee shop is also fun. You. Yes, I do that sometimes too. The background sound helps me focus. Stranger. Same here. I come here to study English. You. That is good. Listening to people around also helps. Stranger. Yes, I try to listen and repeat in my head. You. That is a good method. Stranger. How do you practice English? You. I listen to podcasts and watch English shows. Stranger. Me too. It really helps with pronunciation. You. Yes, and it makes speaking more natural. Now repeat after me slowly. I work in marketing. It is creative, but sometimes stressful. I work from home and in an office. I like studying English in a coffee shop. Listening helps me learn. I watch English shows. It helps with pronunciation. Speaking becomes natural. Excellent. Now we move to the next part. The barista walks by and asks, Barista, how is everything? You. It is great, thank you. Barista, glad to hear that. Let me know if you need anything. You. Sure, thank you. Stranger. The staff here is always so polite. You. Yes, good service makes a big difference. Stranger. Absolutely. Do you know any other good coffee shops nearby? You. There is one near the park. It is quiet and nice. Stranger. Oh, I think I know that place. They have good cookies. You. Yes, and the view is lovely. Stranger. Maybe next time we can go there for coffee. You. That would be nice. Stranger. Sure, let us exchange numbers. You. Okay, here you go. Stranger. Thank you. I will text you later. You. Great. See you soon. Now repeat after me. How is everything? It is great, thank you. The staff is polite. Good service makes a difference. There is one near the park. They have good cookies. The view is lovely. Let us go there next time. Very good. You are doing great practice. Now we will listen to a short review of the key phrases from today. When you enter a coffee shop, say, Hello, good morning. How are you today? What do you recommend? I will have a latte, please. What size would you like? Medium, please. Would you like it hot or iced? Hot, please. Anything else for you? Yes, a muffin, please. That will be $5.50. Here you go. Thank you very much. When talking to someone new, say, Is this seat taken? No, please, sit down. Do you come here often? What do you usually order? Do you live nearby? What do you do? I work in marketing. I am a student. Let us practice English together. Now, you will continue the conversation and learn how to talk about hobbies, plans, and opinions in English. Let us begin. You are sitting in the same coffee shop a few days later. You see the same friend again. You smile and wave. You. Hey, nice to see you again. Friend. Hey, you too. I did not expect to see you here today. You. I come here almost every morning. Friend. Really? You must love coffee. You. Yes, I do. It helps me start my day. Friend. Same here. I cannot study without it. You. Haha, I know that feeling. You both laugh and sit down together. Friend. So, how have you been? You. I have been good, thanks. Just busy with work. Friend. What kind of project are you working on now? You. A new campaign for a local company. Friend. Sounds exciting. You. It is, but there's a lot of pressure. Friend. I understand. Deadlines can be stressful. You. Yes, but I enjoy the challenge. Friend. That is good attitude. Now repeat after me slowly. Nice to see you again. I come here every morning. I love coffee. How have you been? I have been good, just busy. Deadlines can be stressful. I enjoyed the challenge. Very nice. Now we continue. Friend, what do you do to relax after work? You. I usually listen to music or go for a walk. Friend, that is nice. What kind of music do you like? You. I like soft pop and a little jazz. Friend. Oh, I love jazz too. You. Really? Who is your favorite artist? Friend. I like old classics like Louis Armstrong. You. Oh, that is cool. His voice is amazing. Friend. Yes, it always makes me feel calm. You. Music is the best way to relax. Friend. I agree. Now repeat. I listen to music to relax. I go for a walk. I like soft pop and jazz. His voice is amazing. Music makes me feel calm. Good job. Friend, do you ever watch movies in English? You. Yes, I do. I watch at least one movie every weekend. Friend, that is great. Which movie did you watch last time? You. I watched a romantic comedy. It was funny. Friend. Nice. I like comedies too. They help me learn natural English. You. Yes, I try to repeat some lines from movies. Friend. That is a great idea. You. It helps with pronunciation and expressions. Friend. Exactly. Repeat after me. I watch movies in English. I like comedies. I repeat lines to practice. It helps with pronunciation.
Perfect. Now let us make the conversation a bit deeper. Friend, so what are your plans for the weekend? You, I might visit my friend in the city. Friend, that sounds fun. You, yes, we will probably go to the park and have lunch. Friend, I love picnics. They are relaxing. You, true. Do you have any plans? Friend, I will study for my English exam. You, oh, good luck. Friend, thank you. I am a little nervous. You will do great, I'm sure. Friend, I hope so. Now, repeat after me. What are your plans for the weekend? I will visit my friend. We will go to the park. Do you have any plans? I will study for my exam. Good luck. You will do great. Excellent. Now we move to the next scene. After some time, you both finish your coffee. You decide to walk outside together. Friend, the weather is so nice today. You, yes, the sun feels good. Friend, it is not too hot or cold. You, perfect day for a walk. Friend, exactly. Do you walk here often? You, yes, when I have time, I like to walk and think. Friend, that is healthy. You, yes, it clears my mind. Friend, I should do that more often. You should. It helps a lot. Now repeat after me. The weather is nice. The sun feels good. Perfect day for a walk. I like to walk and think. It clears my mind. Good practice. Friend, by the way, do you usually study English alone? You, Mostly yes, but sometimes I join online groups. Friend, that is smart. I also watch English videos. You, yes, listening to real conversation helps. Friend, it really does. I learn new phrases every day. You, me too. I also record myself speaking. Friend, oh, that is a great method. You, it helps me find mistakes. Friend, I should try that too. You, yes, it is easy and useful.
Repeat after me. I study English alone. I join online groups. I watch English videos. Listening helps. I record myself speaking. It helps me find mistakes. Very good. You are doing well. Friend, sometimes I feel shy to speak English in public. You, I understand. I felt the same before. Friend, how did you overcome it? You, I started speaking with small phrases every day. Friend, that makes sense. You, I stopped worrying about mistakes. Friend, yes, that is important. You, the more you speak, the more confident you become. Friend, true. Practice makes perfect. You, exactly. Now, repeat after me. I feel shy to speak English. I started with small phrases. I stopped worrying about mistakes. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Practice makes perfect. Good. Now let us continue. Friend, do you want to practice together this weekend? You, sure, that sounds great. Friend, maybe we can meet here again. You, yes, Saturday morning is good for me. Friend, perfect. I will bring my notebook. You, I will bring my laptop. Friend, we can listen to English conversations and repeat them. You, yes, and we can correct each other. Friend, great idea. See you then. You, see you Saturday. Now, repeat after me. Do you want to practice together? Sure, that sounds great. Saturday morning is good. I will bring my notebook. We can correct each other. See you Saturday. Excellent. Now listen to a short summary of the key phrases from today. How have you been? I have been good, just busy. I listen to music to relax. I watch movies in English. What are your plans for the weekend? I will study for my exam. The weather is nice today. I like to walk and think. I record myself speaking. I stopped worrying about mistakes. Practice makes perfect. Let us practice together. You have now completed part 2 of English speaking practice at the coffee shop. You learned how to continue a conversation, how to talk about hobbies, plans, and opinions, and how to build confidence when speaking English naturally. Keep practicing with Clear Talk Studio every day. Your English will become more natural and fluent with each lesson. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.